What's going on, guys? My name is Alex, and I'm going to give you my 100% honest review of Legendary Marketer. All right, guys, so before I get into exactly what Legendary Marketer is and how it can help you succeed, let's just quickly review their 3 motives and what they want to teach you guys before going into the course itself, right? So, Legendary Marketer is a course, right? Just not like any other course, but they have 3 agendas that they try to accomplish. So their main agenda and their mission is to help start an online business or grow an existing business using online and cutting edge marketing strategies, right? So this course isn't just gonna, inform you of the basics. They're gonna teach you step by step how to successfully grow an existing business or start from scratch, right? We help people so they learn the necessary personal, business, and marketing skills to thrive with confidence in an ever-changing and highly competitive online marketplace. So things are constantly updating. They provide you with information that can consistently change and update, so as time goes on, the course doesn't become outdated. And last but not least, they do this by providing a robust digital course, right? Multiple courses that they offer you. They personalize virtual coaching. Now, they give you a specific design coach to help you start your business. And they have highly dynamic and supportive live mastermind events. So these are some of the top affiliates within the business going and speaking and helping you guys. All right, guys, so if you do decide to purchase the course for $7, this is what you'll get, okay? So you'll get the 15 days. You won't have it all unlocked though. So currently I have them all unlocked because I already completed it. You'll have day 1 unlocked and you'll watch this video. He's gonna go into depth about, on the very first day, he's gonna go into depth explaining everything you need to know about high ticket and high profit businesses online. Now, who am I talking about? I'm talking about this guy right here, Dave Sharp. Dave is the CEO of this company, and he's made over 8 figures as a high ticket affiliate marketer. Now, it's important to focus on high ticket affiliate marketing because this is where you can make a lot of money. And in fact, this is how I made $1,000 in one day. Now, the course has 15 separate days. You can go at your own pace, and you can keep these courses as long as you want, or keep the course and the lessons, each and every lesson you keep no matter what, right? So at the top here, you'll see that I have a business plan advisor. My advisor was Randy, and Randy and I had about 4 or 5 meetings. Now, I've had people say to me, well, Alex, I'm only like 15, 16 years old. Is it awkward if I speak with an advisor? I always tell people, don't worry about your age. Your age means nothing in this, okay? Regardless of your age, your experience, Randy, whoever you get as a business plan advisor, because there's a long list of them to be picked from, they're going to help you regardless of where you're from, your circumstance, your experience. That's why they're here. This is for no additional cost. Don't think you have to pay for more money to have an advisor. This is all within $7, right? They're going to help you get started, and you get bonus free scripts and templates as well. So right now, I already claimed mine. If I were to claim mine or try to get another one, I would just quickly schedule a meeting with my advisor. They'll go over it and help revise everything with me, right? There's even a little quiz, and this quiz is not like an actual quiz. It's just to ask and see where you are and stand within the marketing, within your marketing knowledge, and then that will help the advisor kind of plan accordingly. Okay, so each day you're going to be getting something important, right? They're going to teach you about designing a website, right? I know a lot of people are like, I don't know how to design a website. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to grow a following. That is going to be covered throughout these 15 days. They're going to even have days where I'm kind of skipping around days here, but they're going to have days of how to think of wealth and develop wealth at a young age or an old age, right? The great thing about this course is that regardless of your age, you're going to be learning something factual. And remember, this is my honest review. At first, when I started, I was a little bit skeptical. I was like saying, well, I don't know this guy. I've never heard of Dave Sharp before. By the way, he's been in Forbes. If you don't know what Forbes is, it's a wealth magazine and a business, talking about successful business people. He's been in Forbes. I was very skeptical at first. I was like, I don't really know, but it's for $7. And why I was so receptive to this is because I purchased other courses for other businesses, right? Drop shipping and other, print on demand businesses. And those were all like $300-400 courses. When I heard this course was going to teach me how to make money quickly for $7, I was like, why not? What do I have to lose, right? But this is everything in the course. Each day you can have conversations with your advisor. I believe even on day 1, if you have any questions, you can scroll down, and they have a Facebook group They have a live that they have Mondays through Fridays. They have the Wake Up Legendary show where they have people that have had success stories. They have the top affiliates. The CEO himself, Dave, are always on call, always talking, always assisting you throughout your whole process, helping you to grow on social media, helping you to design a very successful, high converting website. And they walk you through it so quickly. This is how I was able to make so much money in such a short period of time, right? So if you're interested in learning more and getting more information quickly of how to do affiliate marketing, I highly suggest this course. I'm being as honest as possible. They have different products and offers that they'll let you know of. They'll probably tell you like, hey, if you're interested in this, you can try it out, but don't think you need to do that if you can't afford it, right? Some of them are like $30 a month, others are a little bit more expensive, but these are just kind of designed, and they'll go over it with you. They're designed to help people convert into sales a lot quicker. Right? So people like to ask me, Alex, you've been doing affiliate marketing for not that long. How are you able to make $1,300 in 1 month, $1,000 in 1 day? It's because of this course, right? It kind of cut the margin of error for me tremendously because it directed me exactly what I need to. They took out the fluff. They took out the time wasted. Like, I was spending so much time on YouTube trying to figure this out before purchasing it because I was trying to cheap my way out of this. But the moment I purchased this, I got a sale 3 to 4 days later. I think it was the 4th day. Yeah, I think after the 4th day of doing this, I got a sale. But every day you'll get some really helpful information. Like right here, click here to begin your business plan class. They help you design a step-by-step business plan, and your advisor is going to go over there and review it with you, and you're going to submit it. And they're not going to let you go out there by yourself until they see a successful plan and you understand exactly what you're doing. Again, for $7, right? So when I was going through this, I was skeptical at first, but after the second day, I watched the first video. I'm like, okay, this is nice, right? But most courses start off nice. What's the second day going to be like? They go over the core 4, and the core 4 basically sums up the top 4 niches to select from that will always guarantee you sales. People, when they talk about affiliate marketing, they like to say, well, it's probably oversaturated. I've seen plenty of affiliate marketers. Well, there's a core 4, right? There's a hidden core 4, the top 4 niches that specifically are always in business. No matter how many people market these core 4 niches, and no matter what, they're always going to be in popular demand, right? And one of those niches is the wealth niche. And Dave is going to go through all 4 and give you the perfect business model so you guys have no excuse to succeed, right? You'll have all this information though, and all it comes down to is how willing are you to apply that information, right? He goes through the business build breakdown in 30 minutes. By the way, all these are videos, right? You're not doing an extensive reading. These are all videos that right here. I'm playing this video. He's going over the website development, right? How to develop a website, right? How to promote too. I know you're probably like, I've never done any promoting before, especially on social media. You'll learn exactly how. And if you're interested in learning how to grow TikTok quickly, I have a video on that on my YouTube channel. Go check it out. If you have any questions, he's here with answers, right? He goes over the business blueprints, customers and other people's testimonies of successful people. You're probably wondering like, how successful is this? How many other people have succeeded doing this? He goes through the testimonials, tons of people, couples, singles, young, old, right? You're seeing a lot of grown-ups here, but even the young people have succeeded doing this, including myself, right? So there's a lot of options you have here, guys, and this is all for $7. Time in and time out. I've seen so many people new to this. Excuse me. I've seen so many people new to this succeed so quickly. It's great. All right, guys, so in the description, the first link right there is going to bring you to this thank you page. It's just going to be me explaining why this course is good for you in more detail and giving you a little bit of my contact information. And you'll also see 2 testimonials from other people that have succeeded with this in a short period of time, young and old. So if you're ready to change your life for the better, go and click that link in the description. I'm telling you, if you want to make numbers like this right over here or like this over here in a short period of time, I'm telling you, this course is amazing. And it really changed my life for the better. I honestly mean that. And if you have any more questions, guys, leave them in the comment section down below. I'm here to help you. And good luck with your journey. And see you guys all next time.